Alright, let's take a walk and take a look here at look at that beautiful backyard. Gorgeous, beautiful weather here in Michigan. Let's in here see what we got going on with the engine. So I finally got the front crankshaft pulley off. That was a chore. Anyways, what I had to do to get the front crankshaft pulley off, obviously use a puller, and I used impact socket placed around here on the crankshaft, and it finally came off with 200 foot-pounds on it in the big farmhand 3/4 impact. Finally got it off, so it just needs torn down. But in the interim, I got and picked up something else. You guys already know what that is. That's what I'm working on the motor for. But I got this in working condition. Got a great deal on it. Has a 4-way, not a 6-way. So it tilts for snow plowing and such, or grading purposes. I got a 420C John Deere from 1957. It runs good. It's nice dozer. Has the drawbar, and it has access for a PTO in the rear. Don't think I'm going to do any brush hogging with this, but I will use the drawbar to pull a 2-bottom plow to work up some soil on some trails so I can run it over with the blade. But this is it right here. See if I can't get it fired up for you guys real quick. Let's see here. That, and it only has 1,649 hours on it, and it is working. It's got good oil pressure for the tractor, right around 15 to 20. I just turn the screw here on the carburetor. This thing. Need to use the right hand. I'm right-handed. There we go. Just turn this. It's been sitting since yesterday. Had it delivered with a semi. It's a 6-volt system, but unfortunately I'm running a 12-volt. Let's see. This obviously, the blade and the setup for it was obviously made for this tractor. I've seen others very similar to this, so obviously it was a dealer type job. Just make sure that we're in neutral here. Alright, don't think we'll need choke. We'll just try it here. Starts right off. Show you the hydraulic. Clanking you're hearing is the fan clanking there in the front, but it's a good tractor. Everything works on it. Now, with delivery to my house by a semi-truck, you guys won't believe. Well, maybe you will. Everything works. The hydros are great. The seals are great. This blade will stay up just like I have it until I put it down. And it's just amazing, really. But I got this for $2,500? No. $2,000? No. $1,500? No. delivered to my house 55 miles away by semi, $1,300. So you'll see more videos of this, but I'm more excited about the 615D over there, the big dog, getting the engine out of that and getting the one I'm rebuilding in it. There's the block for it right there. That's the 433 block. Then I'm tearing the other one apart. That's the good block that is going to find its way into 615D. So that's what's going on here, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.